everyone! For today, we're gonna be talking about inverse and direct variation. Let's start with direct variation.
What is direct variation?
In direct variation, if one variable increases, the other one increases.
Formula y(kx). This can be written in a sentence and can be read as y varies. Direct to xk means constant operation has a constant variable in it.
Let's solve. Problem 1. If y varies directly as x and y is 15, when x is 3, find y if x is equals to 5. See, the given variable in the sentence is y and x. That means we can use y is equals to kx as a formula. Step 1. Write the given values. Y is equals to 15, x is equals to 3, x is equals to 5. Step 2. Identify the formula. Y equals kx. Step 3. Substitute the given values. 15 is equals to k multiplied by 3. Step 4. Solve for the value of k. We will divide 3 on both sides since it has the variable we're solving for. K is equals to 5. Now that we've solved for the value of k, we can easily solve for the value of y. Step 5. Y equals to kx, then substitute y equals to 5 multiplied by 5. The final answer is y is equals to 25.
Now that you have tried to solve direct variation, let's solve for another problem but in different form.
In table form.
As we can see, the time has the missing values, so the formula would be t equals kd.
Step 1. Just like the first problem, the first step is to find the value of k. To identify, substitute the value of t and d. Multiply then divide 1 on both sides.
And the answer will be 30 equals k. After identifying the value of k, we can now easily solve for the missing values. First problem, finding the missing value of 2. Solving d equals 30 multiplied by 2. D equals 16.
Easy, right? Now, you solve for the other missing value. Pause the video, then I'll reveal the answer in a few seconds.
Did you get it right?
Now that we have discussed direct variation, we can now move on to inverse variation.
What is inverse variation?
Inverse variation. If the variable increases, the other variable decreases. This can be read as y varies inversely to x.
Let's solve. Problem 1. If n varies inversely as m and n equals 5 when m equals 3, find n when m is equals to 10.
Step 1. Determine the formula.
N is equals to k over m.
Step 2. Identify the value of k by substituting the given values. Do the cross multiply. Step 3. Solve the missing value.
But what if it's in table form? How will you solve it? Problem 2. Just like the first problem, the first step is to define the formula. Variable y is in the beginning of the formula because it has the missing value. Step 2. Identify the value of k. Substitute the value of y and x. Do the cross multiply method. Now that we have identified the value of k, we can now solve for the missing values. First, rewrite the formula, then substitute the value of k and x, then solve. Now, I'll leave the other missing values for you to solve. Pause the video again, then I'll reveal the answers in a few seconds. Did you get it right? Now, we have finished discussing inverse and direct variation. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye!